Okay, let me show you how you can leverage the chat GPT, a cover letter, to create a resume, to apply it for the jobs, and so on. So I'm taking an example of Azure Databricks. You can take any related post or related job you want. So here I have searched for the keyword called Azure Databricks, and you got see all the results going with a job post for Azure Databricks. And now suppose I'm interested for this data engineering or Azure Big Data Engineer for Tiger Analytics. Okay, so this is just an example, guys. And here you can see you have about the job. This is showing you all about the job and what exactly their roles are looking for. And they want minimum 2 years experience in big data and 4 years total IT experience. And so this is a right fit for us. So in coming sessions, complete like we will complete data factory. Yes, this is all what you might be knowing it, and you can see all the details. So what I'll do now, so this is a job requirement and so on. So how you can leverage the copilot, how you can use the chat gpt. So this is about the company, guys. This is about the post what we are looking for. Just me Let me just copy these all. And yeah, job requirement also. Cool. Let me copy this all. Control C. I'm coming to my chat GPT. I created a new prompt here. I'll just write create create a cover letter for this job post for this job post. So you should just paste it here. So I have pasted everything. And apart from this, I have not read out also. Apart from this, you can write your experience here. So you can just put my experience, and you should say that, okay, I know Databricks for more than 2 years. I have worked on these projects. I have done some caption projects and so on. You just put your experience. So it will create according to that. Okay, let us try that. So my experience is I worked or I have done capstone projects on Azure Databricks. I have a good understanding in Data Factory and ADLS. I worked on it for worked on for more than 2 years. More than 2 years. Just put your experience, guys. Okay, and let me just hit the message. Now your ChatGPT will just scan all the text, and now you can see beautiful. So it is showing you that. Let me go back. You can see your name, this is your cover letter. So you can see here. Okay, you can write it like, okay. So I'm writing and to express my interest in the big data engineering Azure position at this company as advertisement in the post. With a strong foundation in the big data engineers with 2 years of hands-on experience, see, it has picked up from where you have written. The Azure technologies, I'm eager to contribute my skills to expertise to your dynamic and so on. So you can see all the details. You can edit that, obviously. You can rewrite it. You can do whatever you want. And you can see here, can you create a resume based on above data? Let me run this. And now you can see that it will certainly create a resume. Wow, you can see that summary. So according to this, then you can do some projects and so on. Then you make it your resume ready with your cover letter. Read this, get your skills done, post it on your LinkedIn. There are high chances that you'll definitely get a call. And see here, you are comfortable with. So obviously you have to do all this, guys. So here it is showing you that you have done a certification on the 3 certification on the developer. Uh, See, sometimes it might hallucinate here. You can see they do not have any certificate called Databricks Certified Developer. So absolutely you need to go and check each and every word, guys, when you are applying it. So it's Databricks Data Engineering Associate. It's nothing called developer here. So if it is Apache Spark developer, so you need to be very careful, read all the things and then apply. So this is how you can leverage ChatGPT, guys. You can not only ChatGPT, you can use Google Bard, you can use Microsoft's Copilot, as I've told you, all the things, guys.